Looking for a perfect recipe for busy weeknights? Picture this: slow-cooked BBQ ribs, minimal prep time, and fall-off-the-bone tenderness. Smoky, sweet, and savory flavors all melding together in one delicious bite. The slow cooker does all the work while you get on with your day. Start by gathering all your ingredients. You'll need 2 racks of baby back pork ribs, about 2 pounds in total. Then, for the BBQ sauce, grab half a cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup each of Dijon mustard and ketchup, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. For the spices, you'll need a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon each of chili and garlic powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon each of black pepper and cayenne pepper, if you like a bit of heat. Once you have all your ingredients, preheat your slow cooker to low. In a large bowl, whisk together all the BBQ sauce ingredients. Remove any excess fat and the membrane from the ribs, coat them generously with the sauce, and place them in the slow cooker, bone side down. Pour any remaining sauce over the ribs. Now you're ready to let the slow cooker work its magic. It's time to introduce your ribs to the slow cooker. Generously coat the ribs with the BBQ sauce mixture, ensuring every inch is covered. Then place the ribs bone side down in the slow cooker. Pour any remaining sauce over them, letting the flavors seep into the meat. Now, patience is key. Let the slow cooker work its magic for 6 to 8 hours. When the ribs are tender enough to fall off the bone, you'll know they're done. After 6 to 8 hours, your ribs will be tender and full of smoky BBQ flavor. With the slow cooking done, it's time for the final touches. Gently remove the ribs from the slow cooker, taking care not to let those tender morsels fall apart. If you're up for a touch more flavor, brush them with some extra BBQ sauce. Fancy a bit of caramelization? Then a quick broil will do the trick. Once done, serve these succulent ribs immediately, complemented by your favorite BBQ sides. And there you have it, perfect slow-cooked BBQ ribs for a busy weeknight.